Samsung just leaked everything about the Z Fold 7, and you won't believe what they're hiding. From surprise price changes to missing MagSafe tech, this is the full expose. What's up guys, Atif here, let's dive in. Price bombshell. Industry insider Panda Flash Pro reveals the Z Fold 7 stays at $1,899 and Z Flip 7 at $1,099 in the US, same as 2024. But here's the catch. Select countries face secret price hikes. Which ones, Samsung isn't telling. MagSafe snub. Despite QI2 wireless charging support, Samsung ditched MagSafe-like magnets, just like the S25. Want Snap-on accessories? You'll need a third-party case. Meanwhile, Apple and even HMD Skyline phone have it built in. Power and performance. New Geekbench leaks confirm. The Z Fold 7 packs an overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, same as the S25 Ultra, but the Z Flip 7 gets Exynos in some regions, risking another performance divide. 6 game-changing upgrades. Why this might be Samsung's best foldable yet. 5.84mm thin, 30% slimmer than Fold 6. Near crease-free display, finally. 200 megapixel camera from S25 Ultra. AI-powered One UI 7 with Android 16. Same battery, but better efficiency. July launch with Watch 8 and Ring 2. The catch. No periscope zoom. No built-in MagSafe. And that Exynos Flip 7 could be a deal breaker. Is Samsung playing it too safe? Launching July at Unpacked. Want a real durability test? Smash subscribe and comment. Would you buy the Z Fold 7 or wait for Pixel Fold 2?